is not a good sign right here, but that's not okay. So we got a little kind of crazy and decided we were gonna...
It's That Reyes Family. We post daily vlogs that are fun, positive, and that inspire because we believe that family is everything. Join us on this journey.
Good afternoon. We are on an adventure. We have Ashley, we have Andrea, Lindsay, Candace, and me.
Yeah, I'm going fast though. Yeah.
We're going on a hike to Franklin Falls, which...
So I don't think we have to really hike it. It says we're destinations on your right.
We're already there. We drove there. We drove to the falls. That would not be smart because we have to have an adventure. Where's the trail?
It's really pretty.
It's gorgeous. We made it to the trail. If we don't survive, this is our last entry. Just kidding.
Oh my god, we're doing it real hike.
So here we are on the trail. How you doing, Ash?
First time. We're gonna make it.
Ash's first hike ever. I think it's like my second legit hike. But it's beautiful. How we doing up ahead?
Perfect.
We gonna make it, guys?
Yeah.
We might pass out.
God, it's so pretty.
Stop it, Candace. Almost to the falls. Careful, Ashley. Oh my gosh! We brought a roll of toilet paper just in case, and guess what? We had to use it.
And this was our toilet paper holder.
Right here. To the left. Except these guys almost caught you guys in the butt right here.
Well, we're good. Let's go.
Nature good?
What do you want? Nature calls.
What'd you guys think so far?
Awesome.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm about to take Caleb right now. We're gonna go bowling with the girls. Then we're also gonna go to eat some Din Tai Fung. Caleb's never been. We're gonna go take him, and it's gonna be legit. Ready to do this, bro?
Heck yeah, dog. Strikes for days, y'all. I hope.
He's super good, guys. He's bowled a 300 before. Not really.
Two in my lifetime, but they were on Wii, so it translates over.
That was not weed. It was the Nintendo Wii. It wasn't on weed, guys. It wasn't on weed. All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah!
First stop, we're gonna go make a reservation for bowling and then Din Tai Fung. girls are gonna play games for a little bit. We got a quick wait. What? I think you gotta throw them in there. You wanna play this one? All right, swipe your card. I think it's one at a time, right? All right, try sliding the card. Almost. Oh, it's okay. Almost. This is Caleb's first time. The homies. Little look at what we're all eating so far. Alright, so I just want to know, what you thought, man.
Definitely a must for anyone visiting the area. Mom.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Come back?
Tomorrow. You're down.
We should.
Tonight, maybe?
Should we come back tomorrow, guys? Tonight, should we come back?
That was fun, huh?
You want to tell everyone what you just said a couple minutes ago?
Yeah, I love Ollie so much. He's my favorite of all time. He's not my just brother-in-law, you know. He's my brother. He's my brother.
1, 2. Belle, come on. Come on. Just jump in. Jump down. Come down. Belle. Oh, Belle. Caleb to the rescue. Caleb's the best.
This is not a good sign right here, but that's not okay. So we got a little kind of crazy and decided we were gonna also do the Snoqualmie Falls
Without food,
trail.
I'm not sure why.
We have just snacks and bars and nuts.
I
and
still
don't
want
know if this is- we need some like turkey sandwiches right now. But so we're gonna do it and see. Hopefully we can make it back. I don't know if we're that smart right now. We might just be able to go to lunch. Let's see how far we can get.
Half an hour to the trail, and how long's the trail?
We don't know. We don't know. I'm not sure what's going on, and hoping we spot this one. This stroller, we're gonna make it. Somebody just said it's a long way up because it looks like we're just going down.
I'm trying to opt out.
Ash is trying to cancel this. She's a virgin hiker. She did 1, but now we're doing 2. Hey, they weren't kidding. They were like going straight down.
Everybody's like really out of breath. What's in the backpack again?
We just have nuts. We have nuts and some protein bars.
Remember, we got 0 calories over there.
Well, we're doing it. Downhill's not so bad.
That's a like God made green, I think. Like the color green.
Yes. Tell me more, Ash. Tell me more.
There's lots of different shades of green. We got mauve.
Look at it. That's so pretty.
We got mint, hunter, light green,
we got a big leaf maple.
lime.
It's kind of nice. They tell us what they are. That's a really cool tree. It looks like we're on the Game of Thrones right now, Ash. We're in the Game of
They're
Thrones.
like hairy.
Look at this tree. Like it has little things. That is crazy. Well, we can feel the breeze of the river and we can see the river. We did it.
We did it. Well,
Hike number 2 is almost complete.
we'll have to go back up.
Except we have to go all the way back up the
now we
mountain.
gotta go back up.
We just literally came down that little tiny trail and here we are at the river. This is so scary!
Fun to raft on.
And here is Snoqualmie Falls. Beautiful. We're done being people of the rock, so now we have to go up the mountain.
Over there in the room with the white couches on the lane 1.
Okay, thank you so much.
I told her to put it in the private room.
The private room, VIP? VIP? Of course. Guys, they hooked us up with a VIP room. I told the guy jokingly I was gonna give him 20 bucks if he hooks us up. Never gave it to him, but he still hooked it up, so. This is your lounge, yo. We should just invite some people right now. This place is dope. Bella's gonna start us off. You ready, boo? Almost there, Belle. Good job. Good job, Belle. High five. That's one way to do it. You can do it even harder if you want. Nice. There you go. Then so it looks like in the VIP lounge area, it's us now. The cool thing is we didn't have to go where everyone else goes to the bathroom. There's actually a bathroom over here for these crazy VIPs. So it looks like Mr. Caleb dominated today. Good job, Caleb. Yay. Caleb with 97. Is that a photo? All right, ready to go? We're gonna go to the arcade for a few minutes. So Sarah came home for a little bit and she left to go out for dinner, watch some USC with Caleb, which is dope. The girls are finally going to bed. Love you guys. You guys have a good day at the arcade? What'd you guys like better, bowling or the arcade?
Bowling.
Really? Was that tons of fun? Caleb did good, huh?
Even though I lose, I still
Babe, we all had a ton of fun though, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I love you. Good job, baby. Good job, boo. Can we do the goodnight song?
Good night, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Good. I love you guys. Let's pray.
That's a fake cry too. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Here we go. The donut struggle. Is the donut struggle real?
She's not crying.
Oh my God. Do I see a tear? Is it gonna come out? Nope. She's faking it. We're gonna do half.
No.
Before you can learn.